Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to delete stickers on Telegram quickly and easily. Whether you've added too many sticker packs or just want to tidy things up, this guide will show you exactly what to do, step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account and ready to go. Once you're inside any chat, look toward the message bar at the bottom of your screen. Next, tap the emoji icon right beside the message bar. This is where all your emojis, GIFs, and stickers are located. Once the emoji panel opens, you'll notice a few different icons at the bottom or top of that section. Now select the Stickers tab. This tab might look like a small square or sticker icon, depending on your device. Once you're there, you'll see all the sticker packs you've added to your Telegram account. To go a bit deeper, tap the Settings icon, which looks like a little gear. This will open up the Sticker Settings panel. Here, you'll find a full list of every sticker pack installed on your account, including both the ones you've downloaded and any that friends have shared with you. Scroll through your list until you find the sticker pack you want to delete. Maybe there's one you rarely use, or perhaps it just doesn't fit your style anymore. When you've found it, tap on the option that says Remove. Telegram will instantly delete it from your collection. And that's it. The sticker pack is now gone, freeing up space and keeping your list clean and organized. If you ever change your mind, you can always search for the same pack again and reinstall it anytime. So, to recap quickly, open Telegram, tap the emoji icon, go to the Stickers tab, tap the Settings gear, choose your sticker pack, and then remove it. Keep customizing your Telegram the way you like it, and if this helped you out, go ahead and give it a try right now.